Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between the Swiffer sweeping attachment and the Amazon Basics. This is for dry sweeping. Now, here I have the Swiffer Deluxe, and here I have the Amazon Basics kit that we can put, and these are interchangeable. I could put the Swiffer one over on the Amazon Basics, and again, I could take the Amazon Basics and put it over here on the Swiffer. They both have these ears, and they're both very easy to attach. I do find the Swiffer Deluxe, these are a little bit softer, a little bit easier to push in. Over here on the Amazon Basics, find these and you got to kind of push these. That plastic there's a little harder. But let's take a look. Again, they both do a good job of dusting. I do think the Swiffer is thicker. This is kind of thicker. Yeah. That's what it's going to come down to. I think they're both going to do a good job, but this one just seems a little bit thicker right through there, where the Swiffer is able to capture a little bit more dust kind of in the middle and stuff. But this one's a little bit flatter. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.